Hello guys, welcome to Your Valuable Knowledge. This is Minapani Ningombam and today's topic is on banking. Let's learn some basic knowledge, banking knowledge, and before diving into the banking knowledge, let me remind you about the three banks which merged into one bank, and they are Bank of Baroda, Dana Bank and Vizia Bank merged together on 1st April, and the Bank of Baroda became second largest public sector bank. So if you was using Vizia Bank or Dana Bank separately before the merging of these three banks, then don't confuse if you get some letters or any kind of service from the Bank of Baroda, because these three are merged together in the two are merged inside this Bank of Baroda. So everything will come from the Bank of Baroda, right? So this three is now one. So don't confuse if you get anything from the Bank of Baroda instead of your previous bank, that is Dana Bank or the Vizia Bank. Yeah. So now see, what are they? I have categorized into four things. First one is the bank terminologies that one must know, learn and know about it. Bank types and the service provided by the bank, and the bank account type. These are the some of the importance that older people must learn. So first one is bank terminology. So e-banking, ATM, debit card, credit card, electronic fund transfer, virtual banking, CVV, card verification value, check, ROI. What is ROI? Rate of interest, liquidity, the availability of liquid asset to the market, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS. These are the some of the terminology that is used. Beside this also I didn't put like IFCS code. Yeah, I'll come to that later. Okay, so these are the terminology that you should know, and you should learn what exactly this terminology is doing. E-banking is nothing but the electronic banking. All your money transactions, all your history, or any kind of other services provided by bank, not this they can do by using your e-banking. And E stands for electronic. ATM is the automated teller machine, and this is used to withdraw your money. And in case and the physical paper, instead of doing everything electronically, if you want to have some cash in hand, then we can use ATM machine to withdraw your money. And the third one is debit card. Debit card is provided to you when you created your account, and this is used for withdrawing your money, any kind of transactions. Debit card is very important. And let's see how it's look like. Debit card will be look like something like this, and it will have the bank name, card, debit card number, and the from where this valid date and the end date will be there. At the back side you will have CVV number. Yeah, and the credit card also look same as the credit card, only the difference is it will created as a debit card, and the inside these two card there is different type of debit card and there is different type of credit card. Means card may be Visa card or Platinum or MasterCard. According to the service provided by the bank is different, or facility is different. So credit card, and what is different between this debit card and the credit card? Debit card is actually your current balance card, your account. What are the balance account? Whatever you have to have. Say whatever you're right now having in hand, or whatever you're having in your account will be reflected to your debit card. And the credit card means the bank providing you this service saying that use this much limit of amount in a month and you pay back it in 30 to 45 days. This is a facility provided by the bank. But if you want to use a debit card, then you have to first have balance inside your account so that you can use your debit card. If your balance is zero, you cannot use it. But in the credit card, if your credit card is limit is still full, then you can use your credit card. You can also withdraw from the credit card, but it is chargeable and the charge is very high, so don't use it. And the fifth one is electronic fund transfer. Yeah, this is come inside the e-banking. You can do your money transfer through electronic fund transfer inside the e-banking. Yeah, virtual banking is another term people are using these days. This is the same thing. Whatever happening on the internet are all are virtual. We are not doing by going physically, right? Everything is doing from a phone or from internet. So this is also called virtual banking. CVV is a card verification value and it is of the 3-digit in most of the bank, but in some branded bank like American Express Bank, it is of the 4-digit. And check is also provided when you create your account, and check look like something like this. And this is a check of the State Bank of India. If you have a if you have an account on ICICI Bank, then you will get your checkbook from the ICICI Bank. That will be different, and this something look like this. This is the amount that you have to pay in the figure, and in letter also you need to write down. After that, you have to do your signature, and the most important thing is that if you give your check to someone else for money transaction or to the bank for opening credit card or anything, what you have to do is don't forget to tag a photo of it, or just note down the check number. This is the check number. This one is a check number, so don't forget to note down this. This is very important because in future anything can be happen. If anything has happened, you can verify by using your check number, right? After that, ROI. What is ROI? ROI is a rate of interest. It is used these days by many salespersons of the bank. ROI is something like this: 3% ROI and 4% ROI. If you go if you ask for a loan, then they will ask the rate of interest is something like that. You can simply ask interest, but they sometimes talk like ROI is something like, even ROI, they will not say ROI, they will just say ROI. So ROI means, in banking context, ROI means rate of interest. So, and the next one is liquidity. Liquidity is very important. This people are using liquidity most often than the cash word. So liquidity is nothing but case or your which can be used right now. So then in that NEFT, RTGS, IMPS is also very common. Common word that is using these days, and this three is actually the mode of transfer of your electronic fund transfer. So what is NEFT? Is a National Electronic Fund Transfer. RTGS means real-time gross settlement. IMPS means immediate payment service. Just let's see what are different of these three. So these three are the mode of transfer of your money through electronic. Before you transfer, what you need to add your recipient account details into your net banking so that you can transfer your money. So you need to provide the name, account number, account type, and IFSC code. IFSC code is a bank code and is very unique for every kind of different branches. So you have to provide this code. And EFT is a National Electronic Fund Transfer. You can transfer any amount by using this to the recipient account on one-to-one basis. No maximum limit is defined, and the timing is for the weekdays it is 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and for Saturday is 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the NEFT is not available on Sunday and the bank holiday. The maximum amount per transaction is limited to 50,000. By using net banking or mobile banking, you can transfer. So, and the timing of the reflections of the amount to the recipient is 3 to 5 hours, or if your transaction is done at the evening time, then it may also reflect to the next by next day. Okay, so next one is RTGS. Is a real-time gross RTGS is a real-time gross settlement that it is used for by the business people, customer who usually do huge amount of transaction, and by the bank also by the for the interbank transactions, and the minimum limit is 2 lakhs for doing RTGS transaction. Maximum is no limit. So this is not for common people who use salary account or simply doing some small transactions. IMPS is immediate payment service. IMPS is available 24/7, means you can do anytime. You can do your transaction anytime, and the maximum limit is 2 lakhs, and the amount will reflect instantly. The difference is only timing, transaction limit, and fee service fee, and the transaction speed. Okay, so this is a difference of these three. Now let's go back to the next topic of the basic knowledge. So second thing that I want to talk about is bank type. Bank type can broadly is categorized into 4 types, that is commercial bank, small finance bank, payment bank, cooperative bank. Inside the commercial bank, it is also again divided into 4 types. First one is a public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign bank, and the regional rural bank. Public sector bank have around 21 bank under this bank, and what are they? Let's see. They are State Bank of India, Bank of India, Allahabad Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, IDBI Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Central Bank of India, Corporation Bank, Andhra Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of Baroda, and yes, Bank of Baroda, BC and Dana are now one. Union Bank of India, United Bank of India, Indian Bank, Punjab, Punjab and Singh Bank, Punjab National Bank, and Syndicate Bank. These are the 21 or I can say 19 bank of public sector bank. Then the second one is the private sector bank. Inside the private sector banks, there are 21 bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, in Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, DCB Bank, Bandhan Bank, IDFC Bank, City Union Bank, Tamil Bank, Nainital Bank, then the Catholic Syrian Bank, Federal Bank, Jammu and Kashmir Bank, Karnataka Bank, Dhanalaxmi Bank, Sovereign Indian Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, RBL Bank, Karar Vicious Bank. So these are the private sector bank, and among them, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, yes, these are the most popular bank. And I'm using ICICI Bank for the public sector bank, and for the private sector, I'm using Canara Bank. Then is a foreign bank. Inside this, Citibank and Standard Chartered Bank, HSBC Bank. These are the foreign bank, and you can do all your international transactions using this kind of bank. Yeah. So these are the bank type available, and the third one is service provided by bank. Bank provides so many services, and among them is giving you bank balancing of loan, overdraft. Loan can be of any kind, like personal loan, then the home loan, vehicle loan, discounting of the bill of exchange, check payment or checkbook, then collection and the payments of the credit instrument, foreign currency exchange, consultancy, remittance of fund, bank guarantee, credit card, ATM services, debit card, home banking, online banking, mobile banking, accepting deposit, priority banking, private banking. So these are the service provided by the bank. And the last one is the bank account types. So let's learn what are the account type available. Account types are of many. First one is senior citizen saving account, bank account, then women's saving account, normal saving account, then the no-frill saving account, student saving account, current account, kids account, NRE saving account, and NRO saving account. These are for the non-Indian citizen, and the salary account, recurring deposit account, FD account. Yeah, these are some of the account type. Salary account are for all the employees, and the normal saving account is for all the peoples. Anybody can have this account. And the student saving account is for the students. Senior citizen is for all peoples. And this is, as name says, women saving account is for all the women. Kid is dedicated to the kids only. Then the current account are used for business purpose, and any kind of big organizations actually use current account, and all the business person who do huge amount of transaction actually use current account. And yeah, after this, these are the old saving account or some for the doing all kind of transaction. Besides it, there is another account called Demat account. Demat account is used mainly for doing trading. If you want to earn money from trade market, then you have to have a Demat account. If you don't have Demat account, your money is not going. It's not how your money is going to use. So Demat account is like an interface between your saving account to the trade market. How it's how the money is transaction is happening is that first you have to transfer your money from your current account to Demat account. Then from the Demat account, you can buy any kind of stock by using any kind of website or service provided by for marketing, for trading or stocking. And I can name like Zerodha is a very good platform for trading. Another one, Sharekhan, is also there, and there are so many applications, and you can pick up any one of them. And if you want to earn money from the stock market, you can do by creating your Demat account. So these are some of the account. Yeah. So I hope you will know something about the banking knowledge from this video. Stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.